Camille, why don't you touch them? What? You want more food? Is that what you want?
Hi.
You want more food?
Yeah, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle.
I know they got food. They don't like dirty food. You know that, right? I don't like. Are you taking a picture of them, man? You want me to put my hand out again? So you can get a good picture?
I say this one has to be in there.
I know that. Just I need a female in there. Here, Javon, come here. I'll put it over here for you. Father told me not to put it there. I don't know why.
I think it's over light in your spot.
Look, Javon, come here. Look. No, not that. That's only dirt. You don't want that. Look, Javon, take it. Because you're not going to get any better than that. Take little Joe over there. Come on, don't you want this? It looks like he's watching out for her or something. What's going on here?
You might be.
Is that a he or she?
I think that's a he right there.
Come on. You don't want to take it out of my hand? Why not? They don't fight. He wants my fingernail, but he ain't getting it. That's why I changed hands, because I don't want to see that neither. They might decide to take that. So this one's the male and that was the female.
I think so.
I think so too. Look how big his feet are compared to hers.
How big his
Why
body
is
is.
why is hers different color than his? See, that's what we got to find. Is it? No, not yet. See, I told you they wouldn't bite you, right? They're not going to bite you. They don't bite. They don't have teeth. Do they? No, they don't have teeth. Man. Take little Joe. He's more over there.
They're all coming over eat.
Yeah, I know that, because they want more food in that thing over there. But you won't let me go in there, so I can't do it.
Okay.
What are you doing? There you go. He does have teeth. Is that teeth in the back? You see that? Is it tickle? Oh, man, huh?
How you
See,
like
I don't
that?
understand why isn't that one doing anything?
You like
Why?
that? Yeah?
Burp. It's like a burp. Burp.
Your finger tastes like shit, buddy.
What was that about? Oh.
Pretty sure all the birds know
Yeah,
the storm
over there,
coming.
they're Tommy, I think. They're looking for grass, but there ain't much grass here now.
That's what I told you, give me what you could get.
I did. I can only get so much. Where am I going to get some? Now you cut it down. Now I don't know
By
what to
the
get.
time it's already dried up.
I know that. Well, there's still some around, but I can't. I got to get a scissor. I can't pull it like you. There's some over here. There's some over here. That's what the pull is. I can pull it out. That's what you do. I don't know what I'm going to do, because that nobody's got the right kind of stuff. I want the other stuff. Or they don't have it. Or whatever. Some for you and some for them. So I can do for you. There really ain't much here. There's some down there yet. I ain't going down there. Getting bit as it is. I don't know what the hell's biting. But it is whatever it is biting.
Go ahead, Dad. Have some.
Oh my God, how'd you get all that? How'd you get all that?
I don't know how.
Now they're going to get mad. Look, they want some now.
It's not locked.
Huh? Well, it's standing right there. Would you believe? Here's some of this stuff. They love this stuff. This is what they like. So clover. But they don't like this hard stuff.
No, I know they don't.